Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a special mystery box to open. This is from Your Creative Studio. They reached out to me and asked if I would review one of their vintage mystery boxes. I believe this is a monthly thing, but I'll have all the details down below, as well as a coupon code and the link to their website. So the only thing I know about this kit is that it's bee themed and it's vintage. So it comes in this box. This is about not quite a foot by maybe 5 inches. Let's open this up. Oh, this is cute. So they have their logo up there, their name of their studio, and then they have it packaged so nicely in this really fun paper that I can actually use when I make a journal out of this. And then it has a card here. It says, "Thank you so much for your purchase. Hope you enjoy this collection." And even the card, the thank you card, I can use in the book. I could just cover that part up. But it's a beautiful double-sided paper. It says, "Be happy." It has like little daisies and bees on it. So that is so cute. And I love this paper. Everything is packaged so nicely. So in here, this is washi, and it says masking tape on it. I love that they have their logo on all the labels and everything. Maybe in the future. I do have an Etsy shop, Creative Crafticality, and I do have business cards made, but I haven't gone to the point of making stickers and things. So I think that's cool. Can use all the stuff in here. Like, this is a perfect size little envelope. It seems like this, well, you would have to peel it off and maybe cover it up, or just leave it there and cover it up. But you could totally use this for a little pocket on your page. And then the washi tape is the same kind of, it looks like the same print as what's on here maybe, but it has bees on it. Let me open it up if I can find the end here. I think I've got the end, yeah. So, oh, that's really cute. It has flowers, bees, the little honeycomb background. Hopefully you can see that. I am in my new house. My craft room is slowly getting there, so if you haven't been watching my channel, I took a little bit of a break, a few weeks, because I was moving across the country, and now I have my own craft room. I don't have to share it with my husband's office, so it's slowly getting there. I did a quick setup on my desk so I could get my videos put out, but hopefully I'll be having a craft room tour soon. So anyway, let's move on in this box. Here is a little box. It's probably little stickers. I'll have to open it here. Scissors. Opens on this side. Oh, these are adorable. I don't know if they're vellum or regular stickers. They look like maybe they're regular stickers. Comment down below if you have ordered from Your Creative Studio. I definitely had heard of them before. I don't think these are stickers. I think they're just little, or they could be stickers. Oh yeah, they're stickers. They're paper stickers, so that's cool. Not like a vinyl or whatever, or shiny. They're matte. But a bunch of different vintage prints. Hopefully I'm getting in frame there. Oh, January. I guess you could use this in a, if you do a planner. They're small enough to use in the planners. So there's birds, butterflies, just a bunch of vintage prints. Number 6. So that's what those are. All comes in a cute little box. Whoops. And then next envelope, another cute size. It says cling stamp. So there's a stamp in here. Let's see what this comes with. Oh, it's a, well, that's neat. So it is a flower with a bee. And this is one that you would put onto an acrylic mount. So let me grab one of my mounts here. I have a small one out for another project. It's not big enough, but I don't know if it sticks down. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's a you have to peel the clear off and then see if it, well, maybe you have to get it wet. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So I think that would work. It's just, I just don't have a big enough mount out right now. But you could even just use it like that. But I love that. Really cool. Daisy and a bee and some foliage in the background. So that's very nice. I might try it later just to see how good of an impression it is. I'll have to grab some ink, but we'll do that in a bit here. And I'm going to make another video where I actually put together a craft with this, so you'll see that. So this one says another cling stamp, another cute size envelope that it came in. This has several little pieces. So another one that has flowers and 2 bees. I don't know if you can see that. Let me take the, this one doesn't seem to have a, oh there it is. Okay, it's still shiny, so I'm hoping you can see it. Definitely will have to stamp these out. Then there's one that's like, they look like jelly jars. So those are really cute. Honey jars. Trying to get it so it's not glaring. So those are cute. And then, oh, this is adorable. So there's a bookmark on here. Oh, I love this. Wow, she even has her, everything printed so nicely. I love it. So this can go down the middle of a page, so you can mark where you are in your journal. So this is awesome. Or you could use it to add to a charm. I mean, it's already a charm. You can add it to a tassel. That's what I meant to say. So very, very cool. It has like the honeycomb with the bees and the flowers. I love that. All right. Ooh, these are pretty. So these are very pretty stickers. Looks like flowers. And they have a gold metallic on them. Looks like 3 sheets. Very nice. Those are gorgeous. All right. And then stickers that say "Be Happy" on them by Your Creative Studio. Those are really cute. And then let's see what this is. I think it's just like little sheets of paper. Oh, it's so cute. It's just like a little mini book of papers. Some of them, they kind of have a vellum feel to them, but all kinds of little prints, tiny. So it looks like this is about 1.25 inches by 2 inches maybe. So tiny little pages. So these would be great for collage on a page. There's vellum pieces and regular in the back. Oh, there's one with the ballet dancer. I love that one. That's so cute. Just little mini images in a tiny little book. All right. This is, it says it's, oh, I guess it's like a washi paper. It says masking tape. So honeycomb, so that'll be great to use on pages or tags, whatever. Love that. And then here, looks like more little papers. It's a little pad of more florals and plants. Very nice. Regular paper and more. Yeah, there's a few regulars and then some vellums in the back. Those are really cute. These are about a 2 by 2, I would say. And then this looks like another little book of papers. Very nice. And oh, I love these. These are sticky notes. Her own personal printed sticky notes with the daisies or sunflowers and honeycomb in the back with the bees. Those are really cute. Totally could use the background paper or the hard paper in the back in the book too. And then here is bigger sheets of paper, which is awesome to make the journal. So I'll probably make like a little mini journal out of this stuff, considering it's all like small, you know, smallish. Add in some of my own vintage papers and tea stained papers and things like that. It's definitely, you could use it in a traveler's notebook. You could even use like this piece here for the cover. I might try that. I might use this for the cover because you could fold it in half or even score it. That's what I was trying to say. Score it in 2 places to maybe make like a 1/2 inch journal. I think that would work. Then I could put a couple signatures in there. That's probably what I'll do. And then I could use all this stuff. The tissue. But let me show you these papers. These are gorgeous. Wow. Not sure how many are in here. I don't know if it said. Didn't say. And let's see if there's duplicates. But these are, oh, I love them. They're thinner, so that's good for a journal. So there's some vellum as well. Looks like the same prints in vellum. These are 5 by 8 maybe? They look like this. looks like about 8.5 or 8. Not quite a half sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. These are really pretty. Some of them feel thicker. So I don't know if it's a sticker. Yeah, so the ones on the top felt like a thinner paper, and then it was vellum, and now these are thicker. So I don't know if it's a sticker or if it's just, must just be thicker. I can't seem to pull it apart. This gorgeous vintage prints on here. I love it. Yeah. And then definitely duplicates, but all really pretty. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so awesome. And thank you, Your Creative Studio. I think her name was Amanda. I'll put it up there if I'm wrong. I believe it was Amanda that contacted me. Thank you so much, because I love this, and I'm going to be making a little mini journal out of it. And so I'll have all the information down below. I believe they gave me a coupon code, and I'll have, you know, everything down there. So if you're interested, check them out, and then be sure to subscribe so you know when I come out with a video showing what I did with all this stuff. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.